Okay, we'll go ahead and get started with the second half of this notes on here. The next one we have, you have the two ends of the diameter. Whoops. So the two ends of the diameter, so that would be here and here, is what you're given on there. So we need to, again, find our distance, and this time we're going to need to divide it by 2 to get our radius. Okay, so I'll try to not flub up my distance formula again. So x would be a negative 17 minus a negative 19 squared, and then a negative 9 minus a negative 9 squared. So this would be the square root of, and that's going to give me 2 squared. And it looks like here we've got 0 squared. So d equals the square root of 4, which is 2. So now that is my diameter, but my radius is going to be half of that, which is just 1. So I'm going to go ahead and write, oh, I can't do that yet either, can I? So my radius is 1, but I also now need my center of the 2. Now your center, hopefully you know that that's going to be your midpoint. So now we're going to do a midpoint problem, okay, which is to add the 2 and divide by 2. Okay, so that's going to give me a negative 36 over 2 and 18, negative 18 over 2. So that is a negative 18 and a negative 9. Okay, so now I have my radius is 1. Here is my center. Okay, and now I can write my equation. So I have y, whoops, I don't know why I started with y. I have x plus 18 squared plus y plus 9 squared equals radius squared, which would just be 1 squared, which is 1. Okay, and that would be your final answer for this problem. Okay. One final one that we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and erase my problem here so that I can do the next one in this area. Okay, so the next one talks about the tangent. So again, remember we've talked about that the tangent is that perpendicular to the radius, only hitting in one spot. So this tells me that the center is at negative 2, 12, and it is tangent to the line x equals a negative 5. So we're going to be looking at this line here is x equals a negative 5. Remember, for my formula, I need to know the radius of my circle. So let's think about what we're going to need to do if I'm given my line tangent and the center. How is that going to help me to find my radius of my circle?